Welcome to today's video on Manifest Affirmations, a powerful tool to help you attract the life of your dreams. Whether you're new to manifestation or looking to deepen your practice, affirmations can transform your mindset and bring your goals within reach. So let's dive into how you can harness the power of affirmations to manifest the life you desire. Manifest affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself to reprogram your subconscious mind. They're designed to replace negative beliefs with empowering ones, aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your desired reality. The key to successful manifestation lies in your mindset. By consciously choosing affirmations that resonate with your goals, you can shift your energy and focus towards what you truly want. Remember, your thoughts create your reality, and affirmations are the building blocks of those thoughts. Our subconscious mind is incredibly powerful. It's responsible for our habits, our beliefs, and even our automatic responses to life's challenges. Unfortunately, many of us carry limiting beliefs from past experiences, societal conditioning, or self-doubt. These beliefs can hold us back from achieving our full potential. Affirmations work by reprogramming the subconscious mind, replacing those limiting beliefs with positive, empowering ones. By consistently repeating affirmations, you're sending a clear message to your subconscious. This is my truth. Over time, your subconscious begins to accept these new beliefs, influencing your actions and emotions in a way that aligns with your goals. I am open to receiving unlimited abundance. Wealth flows easily into my life. I am a money magnet, and prosperity flows to me. I attract opportunities that create more money. I am worthy of financial success. My income is constantly increasing. I am grateful for the money I have and the money that is on its way. I am aligned with the energy of wealth and abundance. I am financially free and living my best life. I am capable of achieving financial goals beyond my wildest dreams. Manifesting success and career growth. I am successful in everything I do. My skills and talents are in high demand. I am open to new and exciting career opportunities. I am capable of achieving my career goals. My work is fulfilling and brings me joy. I attract success and prosperity effortlessly. I am confident in my abilities and trust my journey. I am a leader in my field. I am surrounded by people who support and inspire my success. I am creating the career of my dreams. Manifesting love and relationships. I attract loving and positive relationships into my life. I am worthy of love and respect. I am open to giving and receiving love. My heart is open, and I am ready to love. I am attracting my soulmate into my life. I deserve to be in a loving, fulfilling relationship. I am grateful for the love that surrounds me. I am confident in who I am and attract the perfect partner for me. I love myself and others love me too. I radiate love and it comes back to me multiplied. Manifesting health and well-being. I am healthy, strong, and vibrant. I honor my body and take good care of it. My body heals itself effortlessly. I am full of energy and vitality. I make choices that support my well-being. I am grateful for my healthy body and mind. I attract perfect health into my life. I am in control of my health and wellness. My mind, body, and spirit are in perfect harmony. I am committed to living a healthy and balanced life, manifesting happiness and positivity. I choose happiness and joy every day. I am surrounded by positive energy. I am grateful for all the blessings in my life. I attract positive experiences into my life. I am at peace with where I am and excited about where I am going. I release all negative thoughts and embrace positivity. I am a beacon of happiness and positivity. I am deserving of a joyful and fulfilling life. I attract happiness and good vibes into my life. I am creating a life filled with joy and gratitude, manifesting personal growth and self-improvement. I am constantly growing and evolving. I am open to learning new things every day. I embrace change and welcome personal growth. I am committed to becoming the best version of myself. I am confident in my ability to overcome challenges. I am in control of my thoughts, feelings, and actions. I am proud of the person I am becoming. I am open to feedback and use it to improve myself. I am patient with myself as I grow and learn. I am constantly striving to improve myself, manifesting peace and balance. I am calm, centered, and at peace. I attract harmony and balance into my life. I release all worries and embrace peace. I am in control of my inner peace. I am surrounded by calm and serenity. I am at peace with my past and excited for my future. I trust the process of life and let go of resistance. I am adventurous and I embrace the unknown. I am worthy of a life full of excitement and adventure. I am fearless in the pursuit of what sets my soul on fire. I am creating a life of freedom and adventure. I am grateful for the freedom to choose my own path. I am living a life of passion, purpose, and adventure. I am in balance with the universe. I am grounded, centered, and stable. I create a peaceful and harmonious environment, manifesting confidence and self-worth. I am confident in who I am. I am worthy of all the good things in life. I believe in myself and my abilities. I am proud of who I am and who I am becoming. I am enough just as I am. I am worthy of respect and acceptance. I am confident in my decisions and trust my intuition. I am comfortable being my true self. I am in control of how I feel and choose to feel confident. I am brave, bold, and beautiful, manifesting goals and dreams. I am capable of achieving my dreams. I am committed to reaching my goals. I have the power to create the life I desire. I am focused and persistent in achieving my goals. I attract the right people and resources to help me achieve my dreams. I am worthy of all my dreams coming true. I am taking steps every day towards my goals. I am open to limitless possibilities. I am grateful for the progress I am making. I am in alignment with my purpose and passion, manifesting freedom and adventure. I am free to live the life of my dreams. I attract exciting adventures into my life. I am open to new experiences and opportunities. I am free to be myself and follow my passions. Manifest affirmations are a powerful tool that can help you align with your highest potential and bring your dreams to life. Remember, the key is to be consistent, believe in what you're saying, and feel the emotions behind your words. So, start today. Choose affirmations that resonate with you and make them a part of your daily routine. Watch as your mindset shifts and opportunities start to flow into your life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on manifestation and self-improvement. Comment below with your favorite affirmations or any questions you might have. Until next time, keep manifesting your best life.